when a bud blooms. Flowers are the song of nature and dance of spring. Hand in hand on the edge of the sand, vivaciously dancing in the moonlight swing. We present our kindergarten festoon to adorn our hearts with glee by their enticing performance.
Once upon a time, there lived a girl who loved gardening and spent her days doing it. She watered the plants every single day, and all her plants started to sprout with tiny little buds. She was too fond of them. She was extremely happy about it and was eagerly waiting for them to bloom into beautiful flowers. She waited patiently day after day, and one fine night she kept thinking about the beautiful flowers and fell asleep. That night she had a delightful dream about her buds, where she was dancing and playing around them happily. All the buds bloomed into beautiful flowers. Her garden now looked vivid and vibrant. This dream made her exceedingly happy.